It is Friday, October 30th, and I am sitting on the highway in a bus thing, and I am flying to Airlie Beach today because tomorrow I'm going on a 3-night sail where I stay on this big ship. So that's exciting. Last night I didn't get any sleep. So I am running on fumes. I am exhausted. I'm stressed about having to stay in a shared hostel tonight. Hopefully I can get my paper done and turned in on time, which is like 5 p.m. tonight. Maybe I can work on it on this Greyhound because I think they have Wi-Fi on the bus. Crossing my fingers, so maybe when I get to the airport in a little while, maybe I can just lay somewhere and take a nap. I just want to take a nap right here. I want to take a nap. So yeah, this is the current situation. Sitting on the side of the highway. So now I'm just gonna chill for a little while. I think the Greyhound's supposed to be here sometime in the next 20 minutes. So we're gonna just sit here and traffic watch and load up on that there Greyhound, go to the Brisbane domestic airport so I can get on a flight like 4 hours after I arrive. So I want some brekkie and a nap, and I gotta finish my paper. That's on my agenda for the next coming hours. Stay tuned. I'm so tired.
Baggage in the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you, as the aisles and exits must be kept clear. Heavy.
Let's go. Except you can't really see water. Here is my hostel for the night. So just by being nice to the people after they've dealt with some really awful people, they stuck me in my own room instead of a 4-share bedroom that I was gonna have to share with some older man. So that was so sweet of them. Oh, and it makes me feel so much better because staying in a room along with some older man was kind of freaking me out. So I'm so lucky to have gotten this room, and it is hot because the air conditioner is broken and I'm sweating. That fan is super powerful, so I'm not complaining. It's my own room. It's all good. So now I am about to go explore and check out the water before it gets dark. And right now, my body doesn't know what the heck I'm doing because I didn't sleep last night at all. So my eating schedule's off, my sleeping schedule's off. I'm stressed. Well, actually, I'm not stressed anymore. I'm by the water. So we good, we good, we good. Now I'm going to go find a drink because I'm hot and sweaty and enjoy this pretty water because I don't have anything to worry about now. All my assignments are done, school is done. The only thing I have left is finals. But I'm gonna take a few days just to freaking relax, be happy. So that's never a bad thing. Yay! So I have developed a love for bubble teas. And so I saw this place, so of course I had to stop and get one. I got a pineapple bubble tea with blueberry pearls. And because I was nice, she threw in some jellies. So I'm just gonna keep being nice, because people must not be that nice here. Because everyone keeps telling me how nice I am. So score! Cheers to Texas hospitality. Okay, I just want to take a moment and say how awesome this is for kids with special needs and that are in wheelchairs. It's a swing specially designed for them. For a public park to have this, that is so awesome. Props to you, Airlie Beach. Oh, Mr. Sam. Kangaroo steaks, kangaroo burgers, kebabs, kanga bangers. I just want all Australians to know that this is not real bacon at all. This is not bacon. What is that? Would you like some tea and crumpets? Do you need some family underwear? I just wanted to point out that a pint of Ben & Jerry's ice cream is $10 here. $10 freaking dollars. Not entirely sure why I'm walking through the grocery store when I'm not even going to buy anything. I love food. Some guy totally just caught me out for talking to my camera. Super awkward. I got my one drink for like a month. On the beach, I needed a pina colada. Update. Worst pina colada ever. It's not even worth drinking. And it's $14. The rain is coming. So we are currently in the Whitsundays at Whitehaven Beach. And oh my God. Is this gorgeous or what? It is so freaking pretty. You can't even capture how just amazing it is. Can you see all the blue water behind me? I don't know, but it's so pretty. So pretty. So last night we loaded up on the ship at like 7:30. We got checked into our rooms and set sail. And so once we set sail, we sailed for 2 or 3 hours until we got to where we docked last night. We ate some pumpkin soup and went to bed. Then I woke up around like 7 this morning and got some coffee. And then we ate some breakfast and we set sail for Whitehaven Beach. And it is so pretty. I think I see a stingray. Hold on, I gotta go check it out. Currently on top of the sailboat. Currently on Hook Island in the Whitsunday Islands, and we are watching the sunset, except the sunset's behind me. I walked to the other side of the island. Got some sun today. It's been a blast. So I just got off the boat after sailing for 3.5 days, and I just got to my hostel. As of right now, I'm the only one in here. Fingers crossed that no one else comes. Fingers crossed. So it's my last day here in Airlie Beach. I have about 2 hours until I have to go catch the shuttle to go catch the flight. Yeah, to head to Melbourne. So it's been a wonderful few days here. Yay!